Guess what time it is? Time for the Sewers Club. Let's see what they sent us. Now, if you are not familiar with Sewers Club is a sewer subscription box where they send you a complete project to make each month that you're subscribed. This project is about $32 a month, or you can get it $82 for like 3 months or whatever. So, let's see what they sent us. Guess what, you guys? Let's take a look. Okay. So, they answered my prayers, you guys. I'm so happy. I was saying that I wish they would send something other than a bag, and I think they did that. All right, we have Emily's Robin Trivet. Hi, Emily. I got a bestie named Emily. How you doing, girl, if you watching? So this is the project, you guys. Look at it. Isn't it nice? Oh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. This is so nice. Oh, I love the fabric, the little bow. Now let's see if I can make it. Let's see what all they got. Now you have Emily's Ribbon Trivet. This is generously sized quilted trivet, showcases a delicately pieced ribbon block sewn with half-quarter triangles. Yeah, so I think this is going to be really, really fun. Let's see. So they do have a note for the subscribers in the U.S. I am in the U.S. Now, this is a Canadian-based company, so they do ship overseas to the U.S. So they said, subscribers in the U.S., due to recent tariffs, we are now working to reduce the number of items in our boxes originating from countries subject to the tariffs. Now, this includes many notions made in China. Now, unfortunately, some projects require hardware that will be tariffed, and this may include fabric and patterns. There is currently a lot of uncertainty, and this is subject to change at any time. So please keep an eye out for an email updates from us. If you are not on the email list, you can sign up anytime on our website. And if you have any questions, then they list the support email for you to contact them. So yeah, this is this is going to be my last project box from the Sewers Club. So I am trying to be more intentional with my projects that I make, but I am so excited that this project is going to be my final one. So that's great. So we got our thread, which is a white thread, which is 02276. Can't go wrong with a white thread. Then they sent us some needles, self-threading needles. Oh wow, this is nice. Thank you, Sewers Club. Let's get into this fabric. Oh, I see that they put 100% cotton on here, and this was printed in Korea. Okay, Korea, I love it. Look at that. Oh, it's so nice. Look at the doves. Is those doves? You like it? It's nice. It's like a pink with some brown in there and some green. It's very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. All right, I like that. Okay, then the second one we have is just the plain white. And that's going to be for the ribbon. See that? So that's cool. And this was 100% cotton, and this is also printed in Korea. And then the next fabric is this pretty pink. I do like it. It's nice. Let's see what the pink is called. Okay, it's called Swan Song. Oh, Swan Song. Okay. And then we have our... This was made in the USA. Okay, so this is our quilting backing for our quilt. Okay, and then they gave us some fleece, and this is made in the USA as well. Okay, so that was very, very nice. I'm looking for a zipper. We don't have a zipper in this one because it's just a quilt. So that is so nice. I'm so super stoked. So hopefully I can get this sewn up sometime this month and have it out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now I do have a April's project that I do have to get uploaded. That should be coming out here by the end of this week. You can quote me on that. By the end of this week, that should be coming out. But yeah, this is Emily's ribbon trivet. Let's recap on the fabric. We got some little self-threaded needles. That is very nice. And we have all of this. Isn't this a nice project, you guys? You should definitely check out the Sewers Club if you're interested in getting this project. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.